Hey guys, welcome back to a whole nother video. Today we'll be making some really quick and delicious shrimp lettuce wraps. So let's get started right now. So here's some defrosted shrimp. They're peeled. Into this add in some chopped red peppers, some chopped green peppers, 1 minced clove of garlic, half a squeezed lime, 1 teaspoon Cajun seasoning. I'm going to use my delicious homemade Cajun seasoning to really give the shrimp a nice punch. Some salt, just give the salt a nice toss. A fun fact when you add lime on shrimp is the moment you add it, you're going to start cooking the shrimp. We don't want to be cooking the shrimp on our grill for too long. Nobody wants to eat bullets wrapped with lettuce. So we're going to cook this really fast, really hot, and give it a nice sear. You can see the shrimp starting to, as it starts to turn almost milkish white after you've added the lime. And then finally add in about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of olive oil. That's really gonna help give our shrimp that nice sizzle. Just combine that oil and our marinated shrimp and peppers and garlic. You can see the shrimp has cooked even more now. So to wrinkle on the edges there. Now just let this sit for a good 5 to 10 minutes while your grill pan heats up. So my grill pan is nice and hot now. Just gonna season it with a bit of olive oil. Let that smoke a little bit. Now that's the sound you wanna hear when you add your shrimp to your hot pan. If you don't hear that, take it out of the pan and let your pan become really hot. You want to heat your pan from a medium to a medium high heat to really get that char. I love that char that's starting to get. I really wish I had a barbecue. If you have a barbecue, go ahead and cut the peppers into chunks rather than strips and just barbecue this. It's going to be amazing. Okay, let this cook for another minute to 1.5 minutes until it's completely cooked. Now just set this all aside in a bowl while you assemble your plate. Look at those nicely charred caramelized peppers. So now to serve this, I'm gonna get these beautiful Boston leaf lettuce here. So each of these are gonna make for like a nice sandwich. And some of our shrimp, and a nice dollop of sour cream. Some of my favorite salsa, so tasty. This organic one that I found, and the best one I've ever had. And just a bit of sweet corn, that nice sweetness. Big spoonful of my homemade guac. This plate is big and colorful. Wow! And finally, some pico de gallo. If you want to see how to put together a really simple pico de gallo, leave it down in the comment section down below. Let's finish this off with some fresh cilantro leaves, just scattered. And that's beautiful. Lettuce wrap with shrimp, guacamole, salsa, fresh pico de gallo, crispy Boston leaf lettuce, sour cream, and some sweet corn. Now guys, just go crazy with this super light and healthy and epic dinner. I'm gonna go find myself a huge bib because I'm gonna make a huge mess and I don't want you guys to see how I eat this meal. So I'm gonna dip and enjoy this meal and you get cooking. I really hope you guys like this video. Show your love and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new awesome content. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, be sure to follow me on all my social media handles. Until then, I'll see you guys again on the next one.